Welcome to part 2 of the Millennium review. So today we're going to be looking at the facilities. So when I woke up, I just thought I could just use this safe and just see how it works. I kept on putting random things inside, locking it and reopening it because I was scared that if I put my money in there and then I forget a password and then I can't open it and I don't know how to use it. So I was just trying it out first with like my glasses to see if I can do it, then I will save my money in there. So I rushed for breakfast. The food was amazing. I don't know if food just tastes better in Dubai or the food was really good. There's a sitting area outside by the pool. It was not quite packed outside because it was a little bit hot, so most people were inside. So I thought, okay, let me just get some vitamin D. So I sat outside. I was just checking out the facilities so you guys can see what's exciting to do in the hotel. The pool area is always packed. Maybe it was just a busy season because it was on Easter, so I assumed the hotel was really packed. I couldn't get a proper view of the swimming pool because it was packed, but there's a whole station where you can make your cocktails. There's ice cream, and there is like just chilled vibes. A lot of family groups in the hotel. So you need to catch the swimming pool like at night. Maybe you can get a view of it much better. So I was just taking a walk around the facilities. There's a whole place where you can take your showers after you take your swim. As we were going down, we discovered this amazing restaurant which uses like organic plants. So they actually plant their plants by themselves, which was like, I've never seen such a thing before. I was so excited because they have like a little garden on the side. I'll show you guys in the next slide. So this place is really beautiful. They have an opposite tower which is for residents. That's the one I was showing. So as we were going down to the restaurant, this side here in blue, that's where the garden is. So they have like tomatoes, all the things they use to cook. Like the tomatoes, you can see they plant their own tomato, their eggplants, their mint, all sort of like spices that they use. Everything is like planted in just side by to the restaurant. I wanted to go in so I could check it out, but unfortunately at this time it was closed because I think they opened a little bit later because this was around like 8 a.m. so I guess it was too early. So I tried to knock to see if it was open, but unfortunately it was closed. So hopefully next time when I come up I get to go inside and show you what it looks like. So I was so impressed with the way the towers are. There's a twin tower with the residents, and there's a tower where it's like a hotel facilities for guests. It's quite clean, the place. The environment is so friendly. That's why it's so friendly. That's why people bring their families and their kids there. So there's this private lounge, like if you don't want to have your food down in the common areas where everybody's having, there's this lounge at the top deck on the 29th floor. It's so amazing. Like once you get in there, there's this outside sitting area with the whole deck that shows a big overview of the entire area. It's just breathtaking. I don't think I did justice with the videos. You just need to see it for yourself. It's so humongous and it just shows the whole overview of the Barsha Heights environment. It's so lovely, especially with the weather being so warm. I think the view is breathtaking at night as well, because that's when the whole city lights up. You get to see every single building along that area. It's just so comfortable because at night there's like a DJ there. Everything is just so lively. It's just an amazing place to, sit and have your morning lunch or your breakfast, whatever it is. Even at night, if you come for dinner, it's amazing. The views are amazing. I just feel so bad because the camera was not doing justice to the view. The view was just amazing. I took a lot of time just admiring the atmosphere, admiring the infrastructure. I just loved it here. I was like, definitely, I wish I came yesterday when I checked in. I could have maximized this place because this was early in the morning when I was about to check out. So I was like, I feel bad that I didn't come to see and take a video at night because I was just imagining how amazing it will look. They have this spa which is so amazing. Like everything you need is there. It's like it is this private setting where you have a therapy room, you have a sitting area to wait, because they close the doors in the treatment rooms where like people are getting their treatment, so it's very private. We also went to the gym to just check out the gym facilities. It's quite big. It's a mixed type of a gym for men and women, but there's like all these private classrooms where you can just be alone if you don't want to be mixed with other people. If you have like yoga or some classes that you want to do. The view is also breathtaking. I loved it so much. I had to go check the bathrooms, the showers, to see if they are up to the standard. I can say I wasn't disappointed because the bathrooms were so neat, so beautiful. Everything about this hotel is very well thought through, like the aesthetic of the views while you're taking your shower, after your gym session. The showers are great, also like equipped with everything that you need, your shampoos, your lotion. There's also this like places where you can keep yourself in there's lockers. I was just admiring because there's some free oils outside the reception. I went down to the reception since I couldn't get a proper view when I checked in, so you can see what is downstairs in your convenience. There is a whole market like place area where you can buy clothes, you can buy like jewelry, you can also lounge. Say that you checked in too early and you don't have access to your room, you can sit by the lounging area, you can order something while you wait for your time to check in, or even like to get your transport when you're checking out. We saw this man who was like trying to sell these herbal drinks. They are so nice. I would recommend you buy when you get there. There's also like a salon. It's very like equipped with everything that you would need. The place is huge, guys. Like I don't think I even finished all of it. I just managed to get into the salon and to see what it's like inside. There are women there that do your nails, your hair. There was even braids. I was surprised, and hair extensions. You're on vacation and you have like a wardrobe malfunction, or like your hair isn't okay, just know you will have a salon to like fix everything up, because it's very rare that you have a hotel that has a salon. So I was really impressed. So there's a whole like proper salon there where you can do almost everything, your nails, your makeup, your hair, and it's also quite affordable. Make sure to check it out when you get there. They have like all these facilities down here just to make life easy for everyone, because I've also noticed as Dubai, everything is so far away, so it's such a good thing that you could have everything in one place. I was impressed. They also have a place they sell jewelry, perfumes, all the things you need to go to the beach. I went outside again to just have a last view of the pool. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next video as I show you another hidden gem in the Business Bay area. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and follow and like.